pre-monsoon bank of clouds towards the eastern side of Mapusa town. These are convective clouds. Clouds carry huge amount of moisture and they are just floating. They may pass over the town and rain somewhere. But their morphology looks very interesting, especially the low-lying clouds. The height is at least 3 to 6 kilometers and they are typical monsoon clouds. Typical storm clouds, not monsoon clouds. 16th May around 4 p.m. It's very dark and people are expecting rains. Suddenly there is a breeze blowing very strong as the clouds overhead are dispersing in some direction.